Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change photo background color on Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we have to open our Photoshop application, and after that we can change the photo. We want to change the background color of for instance, I'm going to change the background color of this photo. We can click on the photo and we have to go to the background option, this one guys. Click on background, and here you just need to select the color you want to apply to your photo. I'm gonna go with this green color. Once you're done, you just need to click on the save button to save this photo to your gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the background color on Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.